Hello, dear students. This is your chapter number 5, Say No to Bad Things. This chapter taught us regarding self control and the skills developed we need to, that is self awareness, coping with emotions, and coping with stress. Coping means to deal successfully some difficult things. So that is the skills developed or the value taught by this chapter. So here we start with the chapter. Self control or abstinence refers to your ability to say no to such things which you like but are not good for you. In other words, it is the ability to not show your feelings or not to do the things that your feeling make you want to do. What do you mean by self control? That means that your ability to say no to such things which you like but that are not good for you or that are not well for you. It means that it is the ability to not show feelings regarding on that things which are not good for us but we like them. It denotes control over emotions like anger, etc. Self control means that control over emotions like so many emotions we are, but we have self controlling power. First, like anger, that we have that ability to control ourselves in the respect of anger, or whenever we are in angry mood, so we have to control ourselves. For example, let us take the case of junk food. Junk food items are tasty and children love to eat them, but they are not good for health. So, if you stay away from consuming junk food, you exhibit self control. Yes, that is a very good example. That case of junk food that everyone loves and loves to eat, and also all the children loves to eat junk food because that we find that tasty, but we also know that they are not good for our health. So if we stay, or if we just stay away from consuming junk food, or if we just not eat junk food continuously or properly, then we just exhibit, or it means we are in the path of self control. Here, what do you mean by that? That if we have self control to not eating junk food, then it might be that good for our health. Self control has long run benefits. Yes, if we control ourselves, that it has no short term benefits. We think like it has long term benefits. Like if you say no to little things one day, you are saying continuously no to little things, and then you are blessed with some big things. Suppose same for example, junk food today we not eat, and then we think okay tomorrow we'll eat that. There is no that cause that. But if we not eat today, and the day after today or tomorrow or so many days to come, then we not eat junk food, then yes, then it affects our health and it is good for us. So that is some big thing. Moreover, if you take a firm decision of saying no to something, your stress level also reduces, as there does not occur any dilemma in your mind. And if we are saying no to some things, then also that our stress level also reduces. Why? Because in our mind, nothing problematic is in our mind. So by this, we can also decrease our stress level. And keep in mind, indecision is the biggest cause of stress and tension. And what is the biggest cause of stress and tension? That indecision. It means we have to take care, or we have to care that command on our decision. We have to just follow our decision, and never just do indecision in the life, because it causes stress and tension. Now, here's the story of a girl, the reward of self control. Here, we can see that how a little girl controlled herself to achieve the target she wants to be. Now, here we start. Rashmi earnestly wanted to become a photographer, so she worked hard to buy a camera of her own. She used to save money by skipping Skipping means by jumping or by just leaving a snack at the school canteen or not eating snacks at the school canteen. She also cycled to school instead of going by bus. In spite of this, she failed us to save enough money which she could use to buy a camera. Here, because by the camera we know that it's a huge expensive thing, so we need a lot of money, and she just started to save money by skipping snack and also cycle to school instead of going by bus. But still she doesn't save enough money to by which she could buy a camera. One day, one of her friends offered her an employment, it means a job, and she told her, my father has a studio, he requires a part time employee. I'm suggested your name to him. He's ready to keep you for 3 hours a day. Rashmi became very happy and immediately gave her consent. So, then, Mr. Chaudhary, the studio owner, was a nice and intelligent man. Within a few days itself, he recognized Rashmi's talent and started helping her in developing her photographic skills. Though Rashmi missed all her childhood joys, she happily performed at her best. So, because his aim is wanted to become a photographer, and by that, she has a self control to not indulge with all other things or not playing with the friends or the childhood joys, but she just keep continuously perform with her best or just give her best thing to achieve that target or to just buy a camera. For the sake of learning photography and earning money to buy a good camera, she declined her friends offers like that of going to movie, enjoying a pizza, or etc. After several months of hard work, one day Rashmi approached Mr. Chaudhary and said, sir, I have finally saved some amount of money which I think is sufficient to buy a second hand camera. Can you help me to get such a camera? Then after several months of job, then she asked to Mr. Chaudhary, sir, now I think I have enough money to buy a second hand camera, that can you please help me to get such a camera? Then Mr. Chaudhary looked at her with a smile and asked, how much money have you saved, my child? After listening to the amount, Mr. Chaudhary told her to wait her for 2 more months. Though Rashmi became a bit disappointed or sad, and she decided to act as per Mr. Chaudhary advice. Now again she just shows self-control and not to just give a stress and tension and angry way, that only she decided to act as per Mr. Chaudhary, that whatever Mr. Chaudhary said he just want to follow. After 2 months, she again requested Mr. Chaudhary, sir, please arrange to get me a camera. Then Mr. Chaudhary said, no, my dear, I can't buy a second hand camera for you. Why, sir? Asked Rashmi. Then he said, because I want to give you my own camera. That replied by Mr. Chaudhary. Saying this, he bought his camera and gave it to Rashmi, but I do not have enough money to buy this camera. This is very good and expensive too. I have decided to buy a new one for myself, said Mr. Chaudhary. Out of reference, Rashmi touched Mr. Chaudhary's feet and asked him to bless her. Mr. Chaudhary patted her or gave that advice and said, God bless you. So Rashmi became very happy. She said, never dreamed of owning such a good camera so soon. After a few days, she participated in a national photography competition. She clicked amazing natural photographers and went on to win the first prize. The prize carried a handsome amount of cash reward too. Rashmi used the money to join a professional photography course at a reputed college. Later in life, she became a renowned personal photographer earned a good amount of money. That means now when she just receive the photo, that camera, she never dreamed of owing such a good camera. And then she participated in a national photography competition after a few days, and she clicked amazing pictures and also won first prize. And by that amount, she used that amount or that money to join a personal photography course in a reputed college, and later on she became a best photographer, professional photographer, and earned a good amount of money. So that is the chapter. That means we have to control our emotions and desires. That helps you to achieve big and good things in life, and also learn to control our emotions and live a disciplined life where you say no to things which are not good for you. So that is the chapter saying say no to bad things.